Hi guys, we're in another video and we're gonna rank our cubes. First cube we have is the most famous cube, the 3x3. I don't know how to solve any cubes, not even 2x2. I only know how to solve like extremely easy cubes, but not like the 2x2, 1x1 of course, but 2x2 no, 3x3 no. There's a 1x1, just one piece like this. Yeah, anyway, we can start. First one is the normal puzzle, the 3x3. I don't really like it, so I'll rank it 4 out of 10. Next we have the 2x2. The second most famous cube. I have two 2x2s. First one, this one. We're gonna rank which one's better. This one. Now this one. I feel like Rubik's isn't the best brand. It's not very good. I think this one's better. Wait, let's see the fastest. I think they're the same class, but I like this one more. It's cooler. So rating, I don't know how much. We have the tiny 3x3, which is a pot clear. Can stick to our bag, but it doesn't even open. It's like it got ruined. I don't know with what. I just discovered it one day. It's a tiny 3x3 and it's actually so bad in turning. But I actually like it. Now we have the Mega Minx. I know you can't see any colors. That's because when I got it, it all got mixed up like this. It's made. It all got mixed up. So I wanted to remove all the stickers. I removed all the stickers. It took so much time. Now it's black. With the stickers, I rated it 8.5 out of 10. Without the sticker, 7.6 out of 10. And it's a nice ball to play with while you're in the garden like this. I mean like this. You can slide it on the table like this. Okay. This is the Mega Mix now. We're gonna do the 3x3 mirror cube. You can see it's just like a 3x3. We need to make it back to a cube. It's so hard, bro. Like I can't even solve it. It's insanely hard. So hard. And we have the apple cube. We need to make it back to an apple, which is so hard. Look, this is also a really hard cube. We need to make it back to an apple while doing turnings, and it will do shape of an apple. It's so hard also. We have the lemon. Oh, we have another apple, which I got 2 apples. The first one broke, now the second one is also scrambled. And we have the lemon cube. As you can see here, it's broken. I removed like a mistake piece, but we need to make it back to a lemon. We have now the Pyramix. It's so cool. It turns here. Guys, I'm sorry, but I forgot to do the ranking. So the apple cube, I rated a 6 out of 10. This one, I rated 6.8 8. And the lemon cube maybe like a 6.9, no, a 7.8 out of 10. It's really nice. Now, the manga mix, did I rate it? Yeah, I rated it. Now, we have the pyramids. It's so cool. It can turn those even here, and it's so hard to solve. And we have such a cool... Oh, I forgot to rate it. It's just a normal cube. I like it 5.5 out of 10. It's half. It's good. We have the transparent pyramids. I love this so much. I got it from Lebanon. It's transparent. It's so cool. I like it in 8.6 out of 10. We have such a cool cube to show you. The 50th anniversary cube. When it was their 50th anniversary, they made this cube, which even has gold and so cool. 3x3. I rated an 8.8 out of 10. So cool. And we have this 5x5. We have this 5x5. Which we can turn this to 5x5. Maybe it's, but it doesn't really turn good. It's not the best quality. So like turn, if we're doing like slowly turns, it's not really like so good, and turning it's so bad. When we do it like fast like this, it's kind of good. Yeah, I maybe rated 6 out of 10 or 5 out of 10. Between those. Now, in the end, we'd have an extremely cool cube. In the end. So, we have the Hulk cube. We need to make it back to Hulk. This is his toy. Here's his eye. Many cool things. We need to make it back to Hulk while turning it. It's very cool. I rated like 6 out of 10. It's really cool. It's not cool. Now we have a 7x7 all scrambled. I shouldn't have scrambled that. I really love it. It all became scrambled. Look. And guys, and a piece fell. Let me make it closer. It's here, this black hole. And it's so hard to put it. It's way harder than you think. Way harder, way harder. It's so hard. Everyone try, they can do it. Maybe they can try today again. Now we have some cool cubes getting on. Let's continue. The cool girl, the fat ugly mom is gonna record with us. So those 3x3s, I forgot to do that. They're exactly the same, but this one's like so, it's not good in turning. This one's like fast. This one I rated 4 out of 10. Sorry, this one I rated 6 out of 10. We have this cube, which can turn, and it can turn into 2 cubes. Look, I'm gonna open here, take them out, open here, and then close this. Now you have 2 starboards. Now you're gonna shape this, a cube. Now the other starboard, we can shape it into a cube. So now we have 2 cubes. I love this cube. I rate it 7.6 out of 10. Now we have an easy cube. Actually, it's a hard cube. This, it's harder than you think. It's easy and hard. First thing, the turning. We just need to make it a line. Look how easy it is. Wait. First step. So this is almost impossible to solve. First thing, it's so hard to turn this to here in this empty space. It's insanely hard. That doesn't work. And there's a piece that I got really far away from this, and we can't take it out. I rate it 3 out of 10. I don't really like it, but it's fun for playing like that. Now we have the banana cube. It's like the apple cube that I recorded, and the lemon cube, but this one's a banana. It's also really hard to solve. I rate it 8 out of 10. I love the fruit cubes. Now we have this, the 2x2 mirror cube. I showed you the 3x3 mirror cube. This is the 2x2 version. It's also really hard to solve. Wait, did I run? Oh yeah. And I rated a 6.8 out of 10. And this is the second last cube. Now I have one more, then it's done. So we have this cube, which is an insanely hard cube. We need to shape it back to a cube, which is so hard. I'm dead. That's insanely hard. And we have the last cube we're gonna record. It's an insane cube you would all guys love. It's the giant 3x3. It's like 9 3x3s. One square is 1 3x3. Look, I know you can't really see on the camera. Let me try to turn it like this. Look, if I put this on one square, it's as big as the square. So if we put it on all the squares, it's like 9 Rubik's cubes. Let's try to put them. Do we really have 9 Rubik's cubes? I don't know. The 5x5 won't fit. The 7x7 won't fit. We need 3x3s. Do we need one with a fit? The 2x2 is too small. Well, my brother has some cubes, but he doesn't want that I touch them because he's angry for me. Anyway, guys, I hope you love the giant 3x3, and I rate it a 9.6 out of 10. It's the best one till now. Guys, I hope you have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!